All right, so we're multiplying these two square roots, and then we're going to simplify. So what's the rule for them? So when you're multiplying square roots, outside numbers and letters, multiply. I'll just say outsiders, multiply outsiders, and insiders multiply insiders. Okay, so that means I'm going to take this 5 and 4, they're going to make 20. And then I'm going to do the square root thing. And for that, I'm just going to take the whole thing and put them together. I'm going to go 66 times 42, and I'm going to go q to the 6th, because this is q to the 5th and this is q to the 1, so those powers add, right? Now you might think, why didn't you multiply 6 and 42? Well, because I'm going to need to start breaking them down right away, because I got to do the 2-for-1 ship out. And so I might as well leave them 66 times 42 partially broken down and then try to finish that the rest of the way, right? So that's what I'm going to do. You could totally, if you're thinking, can't you multiply 6? Didn't you say multiply? You could. If you wanted to multiply 66 times 42, get some gigantic number in the thousands, that would be fine. But you're going to have to right away break that down. We might as well leave it like it is, partially broken down. See what I mean? Just easier for us. Okay, so let's break that down. 6 times 11, 2 times 3. So underline those are done. And then what about the 42 here? 6 times 7, 2 times 3. Okay, so what do we have all together here? We have 20. Square root, a big square root here. I'm going to write in all the stuff we have. We have a 2. Well, notice we have 2 2s and 2 3s. I'm circling them just to make sure I don't drop anything. 2 2s, 2 3s, an 11 and a 7. 7 and 11. And then q to the 6th. Right, so I just went 2 2s, 2 3s, a 7 and 11, and q to the 6th. That's all the stuff we have inside the root. And so now you know the deal, 2-for-1 ship out. 2 2s in, 1 2 out, 2, and they're gone. 2 3s in, 1 3 out. They're going to multiply. Okay, so that's going to be 2 times 3 is 6 times 20 is 120. And then what about q to the 6th? Out comes q to the 3rd. Remember, we cut powers in half. Why? Because it's a 2-for-1. That's what square roots always do. They're a 2-for-1. This is a, right? If you're shopping this Thanksgiving for Black Friday at Target, and they had 6 items on sale, 2-for-1, to go out of the store, you'd pay for 3. You'd pay the cost of 3, right? If 6 items were on sale, 2-for-1. So there we go. What's left on the inside? 7 times 11, 77. Like that. See that right there? And so there is our final answer. So that makes sense what happened. Let's recap on that one more time. So the outside number multiplied the outside, 4 times 5 is 20. All the inside stuff just went together inside, right? Outsiders with outsiders, insiders with insiders. Then I broke down the 66 and the 42 to all the little pieces. The q to the 5th and one more q made q to the 6th. And then I just did the 2-for-1 ship out. 2 2s, 2 3s. They shipped out and multiplied. And then the q to the 6th, 2-for-1, so 3 came out. We're left with 7 times 11, which is 77. So there we go.